Cleaning clogged filters can be messy and time-consuming, and it's often the only way to quickly restore suction. With the Supercell's internal pulse cleaner, you never have to worry about downtime or dust clouds while cleaning your filter. A few quick taps on the pulse bar temporarily reverses the system's airflow, blasting dust off the filter and safely into the drum below. Some traditional collectors utilize a mechanical paddle system to beat dust off the filter. Mechanical paddles that touch and impact the HEPA filter media destroy filter efficiency while not removing the finest dust, which clogs the filter. HEPA filter media is especially fragile. Never clean with an object, such as a brush, scraper, or anything else that can scrape the surface coating and delicate fibers. Air is the only way to keep the filter media from being damaged. Reverse air or pulse cleaning systems, such as the pulse cleaner in the Supercell, remove the finest dust from the filter weave. This is the only way that you can safely restore full efficiency.